What's up guys, ChowderReviews here to unbox the Alienware M15 R2 2019 edition. With the new R2, Alienware has updated the chassis design along with updating the CPUs from 8th gen to 9th gen. That, along with other small changes such as the keyboard and the battery capacity, have also been updated, but that I will cover a bit later. For now, let's get right into this unboxing and I hope you enjoy. The first thing you'll notice when you open the Alienware M15 R2 is that it has no number pad. That's kind of disappointing because it doesn't even utilize the extra space it has on the side like other laptops would when they include speakers that run along the side of the keyboard. For now, we'll put the laptop down to the side and look at what else is in the box. On the right here, you have a little note from Alienware, the company, telling you a bit about itself and thanking you for buying its product. On the left side, you'll have the user manuals that come with a lot of laptops that tells you basic information about your laptop along with the warranty information. That's not too important, so we'll look at what else is in the box. The final thing included here apart from your laptop are the charging cables. Here, Dell has included a 180 watt charger, which is a bit higher in power when compared to some of Dell's other gaming laptops, such as their lower end G series laptops, which I believe include a 130 or 135 watt charging brick. That pretty much wraps it up in terms of the accessories that you get included in the box, so we'll just go straight to laptop from here. In terms of the overall look and feel of the laptop, I actually very much enjoy it. In terms of colorways, Dell does offer a black and white version laptop. Evidently, I've gone for a black one and I do like the more stealth appeal to it as compared to the white one. In terms of build quality, it's a very high quality laptop. It feels very rigid with no weak spots or anything. And here I'm checking if the Alienware comes with a power out of the box, as normally laptops do, but I wasn't too sure because it took a while to boot up. And it finally boots up, and as I mentioned before, one of the other changes in the M15 R2 was the keyboard. As you just saw, with the R2, Dell has updated the keyboard to have individual key RGB as compared to the previous version that had 4-zone RGB. Another chassis update is the extended exhaust at the back of the laptop to hopefully increase airflow during gaming sessions. For now, we'll go through a quick port rundown of the I/O on the machine. On the right side, you have two Type A USB 3.1 ports along with exhaust. Along the back, you have your HDMI 2.0 out port, your main display port, a Thunderbolt Type-C port, Alienware graphics in port, and a power in port. And finally, on the left side, you have your extended loud port, exhaust, an RJ45 Ethernet port, a Type A USB 3.1 port, and headphone microphone combo jack. Here, I'm going to shut up for a bit while I do another tour of the machine. Here, I'll quickly go over my first impressions of the keyboard. Obviously, one of the biggest differences is the individually lit RGB keys, which is a pretty cool feature if you're a fan of that type of thing. The colors and themes of the RGB can be changed in Alienware's Command Center software. The keystrokes have been updated to have a bit deeper stroke per key, which is actually fairly noticeable and serves as quite a good typing experience. Overall, I'd say this is one of the better laptop keyboards that you can find out there. Here's a quick size comparison with the older Dell Inspiron 7567. Unfortunately, I don't have the Alienware M15 R1, so I can't compare with that, but there's just another comparison with a Dell laptop that's also 15 inches, in case anyone was curious. I will be doing a deeper comparison along with a more in-depth analysis of the M15 R2 in my full review video, so please stay tuned for that. If anyone's interested in the specs that I personally got on my machine, mine came with the Intel 9th Gen Core i7-9750H processor, 16GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 dual channel RAM, which are soldered in unfortunately, NVIDIA RTX 2016 16GB of GDDR5 RAM, 512GB of PCIe M.2 SSD, a 15.6-inch Full HD 60Hz screen, and a 76 Wh battery. That pretty much sums it up for this unboxing. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below, as I'll be answering every comment the best I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe if you're interested in a full review of this laptop or want to see more in the future, as I put in a decent amount of time into editing and it will really help me out a lot. Finally, I give this laptop a 9.0 out of engineering student. This laptop is powerful and has good components along with build quality and has a decent battery life. I don't think any engineering nerd would be disappointed to have an Alienware as their regular laptop.